Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. Alright, today, just would like to share with you, I received a parcel. Sebenarnya I tahu dah apa parcel ni yang saya order latest. So, and this parcel arrived yesterday. So, I would like to share with all of you, what is it that I received, okay? So, thank you for joining me on my unboxing for this evening untuk hari ini. Okay, sekejap ya. Let me just... Okay. Alright. One side done. Okay. Just cut this open and bear with me. Macam tak professional langsung kan unboxing ni. But that's what's all about. I'm not a pro at unboxing anyway. It can be of anything. Alright. So, what is it that I received? Okay. So, I have received... so, this is my delivery order. Yep. So, let me show you what I ordered. The latest promotion that we had in DE. That was sometime last week. Okay. There you go. So there was a promotion that kita buy 2 family wash and we get 6 sachet of Magnifique free. Okay. So that's about it. Our unboxing.